Ndị be anyị ekeneni m unu n'ụbọchị nke taa. Anyị sị na ya dịrị ndị Igbo na mma. Dịka o si dị, ihe a bụ Igbo Media ka anyị si wee na-ewetara unu ya bụ nnukwu ozi dị oke mkpa gbasata maka ana Igbo and Igbo community and ihe debe na Nigeria. Ya bụ ife ka anyị na-ewetara unu na Igbo Media. Dịka isi wee na-esole anyị, ọ bụ na nke a bụ ụbọchị izizi gị ị na-abịa n'ilu akwụkwọ na Igbo Media, kabaru ka subscribe and turn on your notification ka ị lapụ miss any of our update dịka anyị na-etikwu ya n'ilu akwụkwọ kwa mgbe. Dịka o si dị, o nwere ya wetara n'ụbọchị nke taa gbasata maka ka ya bụ ife si ada and gbasata maka ka ya bụ ife si akpọtụ n'ala Igbo. Biko mma achọ ka ige ya bụ ife. Ihe a bụ ihe Biafra Chief of Staff bụ Ngozi Orabueze kwuru n'ilu akwụkwọ gbasata maka ka o si ada na Finland and gbasata maka Biafran Prime Minister Maazị Simon Ekpa. So igecha ya bụ ife idropụra ife iche n'ilu akwụkwọ gbasata maka ihe bụ ife ndị a niile okwu. All right, over to you.
This opportunity. God bless you, man.
Thank you so much. Let us go to Henry, Rebel Henry.
Okay, thank you, my Honorable Excellency, the GPM, and all the cabinet members, secretaries. My name is Henry Azubike. I serve as the Asian rep, Middle East also. And I take this opportunity to call all Biafrans in Asia, Middle East. If you are still sitting at the fence, if you are still watching from the corner, you are not doing yourself any favor. Rise up, wake up, come join us. Let's get the job done for you and for us all, for our generation to come. Thank you, and I welcome everyone. There we go.
Thank you so much. Let's go to Christopher. Okay, go ahead, please, and introduce yourself.
Yes, thank you so much. Standing on the existing protocol, good evening from here, Excellency and all cabinet members and all Biafrans who are listening. My name is Christopher Okenwa from Owerri State. That is one of the 40 states of the United States of Biafra. I serve the Biafrans as the representative in Europe, the European representative. I work closely with the heads of Biafran mission in Europe. And I also work closely with the team in the Foreign Affairs Unit. I'm happy to be here. Thank you.
Thank you so much. We'll go to 47. Go ahead, please. We'll go to 47. Go ahead, please. All right, let's go. Nyami, go ahead, please.
Thank you, Honorable DPM. Hello, Biafran. Thank you for being in this briefing. My name is Philip Ajoko Onyami. I am the Deputy Secretary of Defense. I just wanted to let Biafrans know, in keeping with the submissions of the Secretary of Defense, I want to also add to that the proliferation of the defense of Biafra information portrays a great danger. So people who involved in this exercise should please curtail it. We cannot afford to make this type of mistake going forward. Thank you, Biafra.
Thank you so much. And let us go to the next person. Patricia O, please go ahead, please.
Good evening, everybody. Sorry, my camera is not on.
You can turn your camera on right now, please. Go ahead and turn it on.
That's good.
Right.
Good evening, everybody. This is Patricia Mombad. I work in the office of Deputy Prime Minister, working with others, ensure the smooth running of the office. I use this question and answer tonight. It's good opportunity. especially for people in UK, to bring the question here so that when the answer is given, they will get at least trouble less and then get what they want because they are answer that I cannot be able to give some people. Thank you very much. I wish they are here listening and able to answer ask them question. Thank you very much.
Thank you so much. Let's go to Festus Zichubu, please. Go ahead, Festus, please.
Okay. Good evening, everyone from here. I thank you all for your presence tonight. My name is Festus Zichubu. I am the African Red. I thank you all. Thank you.
Thank you so much. Let's go to I know I saw Pastor Stephen. Go ahead, please. Pastor Steve. Go ahead and unmute yourself, please.
Good evening from here, Your Excellency, and greetings to all cabinet members, honorables, and all Biafrans. All protocols observed. I'm the head of a Jewish religion under the Religious Freedom and Monitoring, and we work under the Department of Justice. Beloved Biafrans, I want to use this opportunity briefly to remind us of who we are, that all the 40 states of Biafra, we belong to one family. We are all Hebrews. That would be something for another day that ties us together. So if you are a Biafran, we are one. So I use this opportunity to call all Biafrans, friends and foes, to come on board. So that let us unite together and make sure we go home this year. And finance is what is vital at this moment. We can all do our part, but to support financially is a duty and obligation to every Biafran. So I humbly call upon all Biafrans. The day will come, I will showcase that we are all Hebrews, all the 40 states. So we are one family. So please come together as a family and let us prepare and support the government so that we can go home. Thank you so much. I am Apostle Dr. Steve Ajubi. I work under the Religious Freedom and Monitoring. I'm happy to serve you. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much. Honorable Wednesday, go ahead, please.
My Honorable Deputy Prime Minister, honorable members of Cabinet, and all Biafrans from all over the world, my name is Luke Iwunze. I am the Ambassador for United States of Biafra here in Oceania and Australia. We are engaging in diplomatic negotiations with different countries. Doors are opening for Biafra. Doors are opening for nations. People are getting more aware of our new nation. And even for Biafra citizens in this part of the world who have been trapped by the afflictions and persecution of Nigeria, Biafra government is lifting their dignity by standing with them, and they are gaining their receiving their applications being granted for them in this part of the world. So we are working, and thank you, our Deputy Prime Minister. You've been an amazing leader for us, and we are solidly behind you. Thank you.
Thank you so much. Do we have any of the other cabinet head of go ahead, Ben Chooks, please. Let's make it 1 minute. Go ahead and Ben Chooks, go ahead, please.
Yeah, good evening, DPM. Good evening, Honorable Secretary. My name is Ben Chooks Agubotim. I'm from Olu State. I'm the UK admin representative. Yeah, like everyone knows that the United Kingdom is a difficult and stubborn place. We are calling everybody at this very moment to come together. It's not time to stand on a double bed. This is time to make things happen. And we must make it happen. Thank you, everyone.
Thank you so much. Let us go to the media. Mark, please go ahead. Unmute yourself, please.
Thank you, Your Excellency. Can I open my camera?
Yes, go ahead and start your video, please.
Good evening, Deputy Prime Minister and all cabinet members. My name is Adez Eze. I represent the Deputy Continental Rep of South and North America. Thank you.
Thank you so much. Do we have other? Go ahead. Canada Rep, go ahead, please.
Good evening, everyone. Good evening, my able DPM. Good evening, all Biafrans all over the world. My name is Ugochukwu Okoro. I'm the ambassador of USB here in Canada. I want to use this opportunity to call on every Biafran living in Canada. There is a meeting. We have the flyer on circulation right now. We're having the first meeting under the USB government on Sunday, the 22nd of February. If you're in Canada, please identify yourself with us. Thank you very much, everyone.
All right, thank you so much. I see some hands up. You're part of the cabinet. Go ahead and introduce yourself. I see Sylvanus or Harry. Go ahead, please. One minute, please, so we can go into real reason why we're here today. Okay.
Okay, good evening, everybody. My name is Sylvanus Oyeriako. I greet our DPM, all the cabinet members, all protocol observed. My name is Sylvanus from Owol. I live in Germany. I thank everybody for the work that Chukwu Ogasan to everybody. Take your heart and do it for Biafra. You will get the reward from Biafra. Thank you, everybody.
Thank you so much. Mazi Chibueze, can you go ahead? I just want to make sure that it's only all the hands of the reps that are up and the deputy secretaries, please. Those are the introductions we need at this time. Before, if you're not a rep or deputy secretary or a cabinet member, please put down your hand. And when we get to the question and answer session, you can raise your hand, please. Go ahead, Freeman, and your position, please.
No, let me put down my hand. It's just for question and answer.
Okay, just for question and answer. Just put down your hand, please, for question and answer. If you're a cabinet person, your hand can be up. For question and answer, put down your hand, please. We are going to come there in the next few minutes. I think we already got all hands that are for cabinet members covered. Paul, are you a rep? Please go ahead. 1 minute.
Yeah. I think I'm being heard.
Yes.
Good evening, my Deputy Prime Minister, all the ministers present here. I greet all of you. My name is Paul Ugu. I am the admin of Greek family here in Europe. My fellow Biafrans in Greece, I enjoy all of you to come and represent your new nation, because when we leave it for our Deputy Prime Minister, only her cannot do the job. So I enjoy all of you to come, more especially on the 2nd of March, we are having our general meeting. Thank you very much.
Thank you so much. The Malta admin, go ahead, please. Unmute yourself.
Good evening, my DPN. Good evening to all my honorable protocol observed. My name is Uchenna Obi, and I am the Malta admin. And I want to use this opportunity to call upon the Malta BIAFRA in Malta to wake up. This is the time to support our DPM and to support to make sure that the freedom of Biafra comes to, because it is in our hands to do it. Nobody can do it for us. So this time is not the time of ignorance or a time of doubting. If we put hands together, we can do it. And I encourage everyone to be strong and believe in what we are doing and believe in our DPS. And we shall surely win the battle. Thank you.
Thank you so much, Faith. Go ahead, please.
Thank you, my DPM.
Thank you.
Thank you, all the admins, the rep, everybody. Everyone in the house, I greet you. My name is Faith Nk. I am the admin in North Carolina, and I also use this opportunity to call my North Carolinians, Biafrans, to come out. We are here and alive and well. Come on out. We're gonna have our meeting this Thursday, 8 p.m. Reach out to me, 678-200-0217. Thank you.
Thank you so much. Miss Mercy, go ahead. Unmute yourself, please. Mercy. Go ahead, Mercy. We cannot hear you.
Being my Deputy Prime Minister, as a protocol observed, my name is Mercy Owodua. I'm the Deputy EU Rep, and I also serve the government as the Secretary Foreign Affairs Unit.
Thank you so much, Mercy, for what you do. Good job. Thank you so much. Go ahead, Honorable Shade, please. Unmute yourself.
Good afternoon, my dear my lady. Good afternoon, everyone in the cabinet. Thank you, my queen, and I appreciate you. My name is Shadi Bay Myers, rep from New York. I am so appreciative. I thank everybody for the good work that you're doing. Really, thank you. Thank you, my queen.
Thank you so much. Honorable Juku, go ahead, please. Unmute yourself.
Good evening, everyone. Good evening, my DPM. Good evening to all members in the House. My name is Mazio Juku, Deputy Rep in Austria. I want to use this opportunity to invite all old and new members in Austria to please come up and support this government. We just have one government, and we have to make things happen. Those who are lagging behind, please come up. And we are going to have also a European representative to come and represent us here. So if you have any question that bothering you, please come up and ask that question. Thank you so much. Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you so much. Galaxy A70, go ahead, please. If you are a rep, unmute yourself. Galaxy A70. Welt, W-E-A-L-T, go ahead and unmute yourself, please.
The camera is not on, it won't let me.
Okay, go ahead and turn your video on, please.
Greetings, everyone. COS, honorable members. This is Victoria Frank in Texas. I work under UDUAC for Community and Social Services. At the moment, we are creating departments and seeking for those who are qualified for the job. We don't want to be Nigerians. We want qualified people who knows what is called social and psychological work. That's what we're doing right now. Thank you.
Thank you so much. Let's go to Galaxy. Somebody go ahead. Unmute yourself. Go ahead and unmute yourself, please. Start your video and unmute yourself. We cannot hear you. Unmute yourself, Galaxy.
Yes. Are you hearing me now?
Yes.
Okay. Good evening, my honorable DP and the whole house. I thank you for all your efforts in this very struggle. I am Honorable Obaro Laluki, Deputy Rep Belgium. Then I'm very happy seeing all of your poised spirits in this very struggle. We have to stand in one. Unity is strength. So we have to be in unity and in love to make sure we get a goal. And I will not fail to inform you about the assignment that was given to me to see the head of human rights the whole Europe. Then I have seen him for the benefit of the struggle, and he accepted to support the struggle reach at the extreme level of the legal matters or any other side you people need. So I have to let the House know that I have done the best to make sure I bring him in. Thank you very much, Your Excellency, DPM. Thank you, my honorables.
Thank you so much, John PM. Go ahead, please, John. John PM, unmute yourself.
Good evening. Just to answer a question, I don't know, I'm not a cabinet member.
Okay, not yet. Yeah, not yet. Thank you so much. Put down your hand. And then, okay, thank you so much. We have Uso Machuku. Go ahead, please. Unmute yourself.
Yeah, good evening, everyone. Cabinet members, the honorables, our DPM. We appreciate you for all your work. I am Mazus Anwatuku, Republic of Ireland Rep. The message you sent to us have reached us, and we are all now being contacted. We are having calls every now and then. So we appreciate you for your work. We thank you for bringing us to the spotlight again. Thank you, everyone. Bye.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Ugochukwu, go ahead. Norway.
Greetings, great dear friends, and a very good evening from Norway. Dr. Gojo Arabeze, Deputy Prime Minister, thank you for the job you do. And great dear friends and our cabinet reps, members, thank you guys for the job you do. And using this opportunity to call our family here in Norway to come up. I mean, greetings.
Thank you so much, John PM. Unmute yourself. Okay. I think that is all. So hopefully, as we progress, we will be recognizing all the people that are doing the job behind the scene to ensure that we all go home as quickly as possible. On that note, again, welcome everyone to this. Let me see. So, again, today, I don't know. Are we missing anyone on the media team? I know I called you. I didn't hear you. I know. Can you go ahead 1 minute? Because I know I called you before. We'll go 247.
Yes. Thank you, DPM. Your Excellency, greetings to every member of the cabinet, and my greetings go to every Biafran. I am Ugo 247. I don't know what to introduce about myself again. I'm in the media. Thank you, DPM.
All right, thank you so much. I know, let's go to Chick Survival, please. Go ahead. Unmute yourself.
Thank you, Deputy Prime Minister Dr. Ngozi Arabweze. I appreciate you. Thank you so much for the good work you are doing. I appreciate all the honorable members in the House. And I thank all Biafrans that are here with us. I am Chuk Survivor, serving in the media of the United States of Biafra. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much. So now let us go to the reason why we are here today. We are here to I don't know if there's any other. Yeah, we know we have just so much time for this event today. Again, welcome, Biafrans and friends of Biafrans. The reason why we're here today is to let the world, Biafrans, know what we are doing, where we are going, and some of the things that we do both openly and privately. If you have any question, any worries, things you're not clear about, this is the time to ask those questions. The ones I can take, I'll take them. The ones I cannot take, I'll let you know that I'm going to come back with the answer. That is what this session is for. First, let me let you know, we declared the United States of Biafra in Finland, November the 29th, 2024. And it was an event that was the climax of the several things that Biafrans have done over the years to redeclare Biafra. As some of you are aware, Biafra was a nation between 1967 and 1970, during the period when we fought a brutal war with Nigeria. During that war, many Biafrans, innocent children, were killed, mostly by starvation by the Nigerian state. And the way they did that is to block the food entrance of foods and other things into the Biafran territory. A couple of countries at that time played a role to help Biafrans, and those countries at this point are still supporting the independence and the sovereignty of the United States of Biafra. Biafra conducted a self-referendum, both online and at home physically, to ensure that we go through the peaceful process to remove ourselves from Nigeria. During this period, over 50 million Biafrans voted at home and abroad using different formats. That was presented when we were in Finland. Biafra has met all the criteria to be a full-fledged independent nation. We have our sovereignty cut out. We have our people that have participated in the self-referendum to exit Nigeria. Over 98% of Biafrans that participated in this voting process, they all voted for Biafra to exit Nigeria. Biafra has explored different sources.
Wadaloli neno from Igbo media, boy by Sire Utano Yabozi, Jokempa, Bastabak Yemen and Nigeria, and the enemy teacher, na Eastern region, and Uno Kosia Dana Finland, and the Biafran Prime Minister, KCGD, the update and the Yabo Biafran declaration came in Finland, so Yelina Kaya, I know Telu Niwa Huko. Kifi wali kubwa maka yabo iye chief of staff kukasinirwa kuko yaneboro tagasiaka and the new development on Biafra of United States of Biafra. So yabi ife ka isikai tiedo no kono kwa ifunche no den kono maka yabi ife ngwa dado dinen nke mesia no monem.